Today is a very special day as we install the Reverend Dr. HyeRan Kim-Cragg as the 14th principal of Emmanuel College here at Victoria University. Anyone who has met HyeRan has experienced her deep empathy and wisdom, and I believe that her style of theological teaching and learning will continue to contribute to our collective healing journey. It is true that we largely live in a secular world, but it is also true that in our most important moments, weddings, funerals, births, holidays, crises, and celebrations, so many of us turn to our spiritual leaders. I know that Emmanuel College, under HyeRan's leadership, will continue to shape the spiritual offerings in our communities for many, many years to come.
What an incredible root system we have with such an expansive, growing network of relationships. Who can say how much taller and broader the tree of Emmanuel College will grow? How many more people will be nourished by the fruit of theological studies and spiritual formation? How many more faith communities will be blessed by strong spiritual leadership? How many communities will be transformed by a new interreligious vision? I will seek to be faithful to the roots, trunk, the branches of Emmanuel College with God's help and your support. So once again, I would like to thank you for the honor which this installation bestows on me. Thank you.